Hey Pink welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, staying home and staying safe. Today I'm going to recreate this look. This is the Kareena Kapoor look as you see, and I thought this one is a good for those summer Indian wedding guest looks, and it is quite simple according to me, and I thought I should set this one with you guys. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to get started with this Face Shop Collagen Volume Lifting Cream. Basically, this is a moisturizer, and oh my god, I've been talking about this topic for a while now. A moisturizer is a very important step for your skincare routine as well as for your makeup. It is going to help you moisturize your skin, and it is going to be a perfect skin to work on when you start doing your makeup. Secondly, I'm going to use this most eligible primer from Sugar Cosmetic. As you know, this one is one of my favorite. It is a poreless primer, so basically it is going to blur out those pores and it's going to give you a smooth canvas to work on. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to use one of my latest favorite foundation, that is a Fit Me foundation. I love that it has medium to buildable coverage, and it is one of the amazing foundation which is so pocket friendly. And if you are someone who hasn't tried out this foundation yet, you should definitely try it out. Moving ahead, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer, and also I recommend you to have this one definitely in your vanity. So I'm going to use it in the usual parts like in the inner corner of my eyes, below my eyes, around my nose, and also to conceal this pimples that I've recently got. Then I'm going to use a loose powder. This one is Sugar Cosmetics Set the Tone Treated Powder in the shade 15 Cappuccino, and I'm going to use it below my eyes and on my eyelids. And then moving forward, I'm going to use this Pack Cosmetics Super Brow Cream for my eyebrows. I am in love with this cream, to be honest. This is the only product that I reach out for my brows the most these days. Then for my eyes, I'm going to take this Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Beachside Peach, and I'm going to take the third shade from the palette, which is the peach shade, and I'm going to use it in the socket area. And as you see, I'm going to blend it using the windshield wiper motion, and I'm going to blend it in. Then I'm taking the fifth shade from the palette, which is a bit darker peach tone, and I'm going to use it in only in the outer portion of my lid, and also a little on the inner portion of my lids. Basically, I'm going to keep the middle portion of my lids empty so that I can use the other shade there. Then I'm going to take this small blending brush and I'm going to take the brown shade from the palette and I'm going to use it on the only outer portion of my lids. Then I'm taking this Nykaa Glow Gold Shimmer Brick highlighter palette in the shade Good Old Gold, and I'm going to swipe my finger on all these shades and I'm going to use it on the middle portion of my lids, and as you see, I am getting the result that I wanted. Then I'm taking this kajal from Plum Goodness. This variant has the smudger on the other end, and I'm going to use the kajal on the waterline and as well as at the lower lash line. And once I'm done applying the kajal on the lower lash line, I'm going to smudge it out in the outward motion. That gives an illusion of me having the eyeliner on the lower lash line. And basically, if you have made any mistake or if you have any fallout from your eyeshadow, you can always use a compact to make it correct. Then I'm going to use this mascara. This one is the Super Fan mascara from Smashbox, and I love this. And I'm going to use this mascara only today. I'm not going to use any falsies because Kareena is not wearing any falsies in this look. Then I'm going to take this Contour Diffuse palette from Sugar Cosmetics and I'm going to start using the contour and the highlight shade from the palette. And as you see, I'm going to take a very little contour, but I'm going to take my own sweet time to blend it in to make sure that I'm getting that very natural looking contour going on, just like Kareena. Then to apply the highlighter, I'm going to use this technique of using the Damn Beauty Blender to get that very natural looking highlighter. Basically, it is going to give me that glow from within kind of finish. And then for my lips, I'm going to use this Kiko Milano lipstick in the shade Velvet Passion, and this is a very nude shade as you see, and it's a matte lipstick. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime setting spray to set my makeup, and also this is going to help my makeup last longer. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys have loved it. If you have, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this look, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also hit that bell notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also start following me on Instagram if you haven't already. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have loved it, and until next time, bye bye, take care.
You give everybody else love, but you never give yourself love. Don't forget about your self-love. Self-love. You give everybody else love, but you never give yourself love. Don't forget about your self-love.